Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Polygon Matic, and is this a good time to buy Polygon? I've got some interesting information to show you that's going to talk about maybe specific buying levels that if you're thinking about trying to time your entry into Polygon, you might want to pay attention to these. Either A, you're getting into it for the first time, or B, you're looking to add to your levels. I want to say up front that I own Polygon. I'm a huge, huge fan of Matic, and I will continue to be. And no, I'm not being paid to produce this video by anybody. I just love Polygon and I like to talk about them. And I don't feel like Polygon Matic gets enough coverage. I feel like it's kind of one of those that's just out there that not enough people talk about. And I've been a fan of it for a long time. I've owned it off and on, and I'm now back into it, and I'm going to be holding it for a long time to come, and I'm adding to my position, and I may very well be adding to my position with some of the price points, entry points that we're going to talk about in this video. Also, we're going to talk about the overall state of the union with what is going on and what I see how that that condition kind of tending to play out. With all that said, this video, as always, is for entertainment purposes only. So here we go. Let's go take a look. You know what? Before we get over there, what is your favorite Arnold Schwarzenegger movie? There you go. I'm trying to do more comment below because I really get a kick out of your guys' comments. What's your favorite Arnold Schwarzenegger movie? And what is your favorite line from an Arnold Schwarzenegger movie? I know what mine is. It's the "I'll be back" comment. I can't do that really well. I'll be back. Can you do a good Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation? What's your favorite movie from Arnold, and what is your favorite quote from that he says in one of those movies? I always love to read your comments. So we got to make this fun. All right, here we go. Real quickly, I need to tell you about my Patreon group. I bring this up in every video because I honestly feel like it's my commitment to you guys to help you guys out. For those of you guys who are looking for, number one, a community to belong to, for support, to not be in this journey alone, that's what this is. I have a Discord group. You also get a lot more access to me. You can direct message me, and I respond to you. And you also get a community, as I said, support, a lot of crypto tips on hot cryptos, like from member to member tips. But also, if you join at the inner circle level, which is this one right here, you get access to my portfolio, and you get access to hot trading alerts from me and from the group. If I see something that's really hot that I think is going to pop. I did one just a few days ago, and that particular crypto is doing really, really well. So if that's something that you care about, there are links below in the description. Would love to have you. And hey, look, here's the deal. Come over, try it for a month. If you don't like it, you can cancel. It's not a long-term deal. Also, I just got approved from YouTube for this. You see there's a join now button below. Check that out if that's something you might care about. There's a couple of different interesting scenarios there where you can get a little bit more preferential treatment from me in relation to live streams and comments where I see those. They show up better and I can interact with you better, as well as one of those levels gets you access to getting more interaction with me on the live streams and get you access to the Discord. So if that's something that's of interest to you, check out that join now button right below this video. I just got approved for that from YouTube, so it's pretty cool. All right, so let's take a look at the overall price action and what's going on with Polygon. Right now, Polygon is at 87 cents. And actually, cards on the table right now, I'm upside down in Polygon. I bought Polygon was like about $1.06, so that's really where I own it at. So I'm like, you know what? And I'm not looking at that as a bad thing. I'm looking at it as, you know what? I might absolutely be adding to my positions because I am a long-term, huge believer in Polygon. This video is not about the use case and utility around Polygon. It's more about just buying levels and, is it a good buy? Is it one that I think people should own? Again, not investment advice, but I firmly believe that out of the top, 20 or so cryptos out there, I think that everybody should own a little Bitcoin, Ethereum. They should own some Cardano. They should own some Polygon, XRP if you can find it. It's a pain in the butt to buy right now because of all the stuff going on with the SEC here in the United States. But Cardano and Polygon and Ethereum, I love those. I love to own those because it's really kind of owning coins that are part of the platform, the development world, the development platform that other projects are built upon, things of that nature. So that's why I like those, and that's really honestly the reason I love Polygon is I think it's going to continue to evolve and continue to be a platform that is going to be front and center for years and years and years and years to come. A lot of the major DeFi projects that are coming out now are built on top of Polygon, which is why I love it because DeFi is decentralized finance. DeFi is a massive, massive part of the developing crypto world, if you will. Okay, so again, love Polygon. And here's the thing. I think we got lower lows coming possibly for Polygon, right? The overall market is going to continue to kind of have some pressure on it. Bitcoin has got data. It's over on datamish.com. Bitcoin has got a lot of selling pressure on it right now, which is dragging down the overall market. I've said this time and time again, but if you're new to me, Bitcoin drives the overall market condition. Don't believe me? Let me prove it to you real quickly. Go to CoinMarketCap. See, this is Bitcoin. Look at this chart right here. See how this chart, look at the flow of this chart. Now, look at the flow of Ethereum. Almost exactly the same, right? Look at the flow of Cardano. Look at where my cursor is. Look at the flow of XRP. Look at the flow of Doge right here. And Polkadot right there. Uniswap. Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin. Solana. Chainlink. Goes on and on and on. Ethereum Classic. Polygon right there. There's the bad boy we're talking about right there. Exactly the same. It is what it is. This is the current state of the affairs. This is the way it will be. I view this as a positive, and here's why. Where Bitcoin and Ethereum go, the rest shall follow. Okay. All right, Austin. Yeah, okay, but it's not great right now. No, it is not. Okay. Summer historically is a bad time for all kind of equity markets, including stocks, everything, and obviously crypto is impacted by that. Okay. So we've got two things going on. We got the summer doldrums. There's your word of the day. We've also got short selling pressure on the overall crypto market, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I guarantee you there's probably some short selling pressure against Polygon specifically. It is what it is, okay? But when that eases up, and oh, by the way, you have a tremendous amount of institutional money, whale money, said a different way. And because how I view whales, there's individual whales, and then there's institution, hedge funds, things like that. That there's article after article coming out that we are pretty much at the close to the bottom, give or take, and there's starting to be more institutional money that will come in, and everybody's talking about Q4 of 2021, so fourth quarter starting in October, November, December, right? That's fourth quarter to start really major bull run going on. Before then, Bitcoin absolutely could drop below 30,000. It could happen, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum is in 1927 right now. So let's talk specifically about Polygon. So that was all kind of talking about the overall state of the union, et cetera. So let's talk about Polygon and some key levels, right? So we need to go back over here and look and see what our current pricing structure is right here. So we're currently at 8784, right? Okay. So we moved through 926 and a retest at 832. Okay. So a quick recovery above 926 could propel us above $1.06. Now, so if we do bounce and we get that recovery back to 906, that was what that said, right? Yeah, back 926, excuse me. Back to 926, we could propel back up to $1.06. However, if we break below 83 cents, we very might invalidate this kind of bullish technical analysis chart scenario that kind of right now is presenting itself. Cards on the table, I think that possibly will happen. I do. Because I think that the overall short selling pressure is going to continue on Bitcoin, on the overall market, etc. I think the bears are ruling the roost right now. I think the bears are in control right now. That's what I think, okay? And the data says that I'm right. I don't like it. I want them to go the heck away. I want us all to be looking at it, and everybody's got green and we're good. Okay, so what I want to show you though, okay, so again, we've got prayers, we've got bears in the house, right? It is what it is. All right, so I want to show you this real quickly. Where is it? So look, here it says the sell-off shattered the range as a low of deviation, but considering the bullish setup seen in Bitcoin price, investors can expect Matic price to follow suit and post a quick recovery above 89 cents. Okay, so that's really what I want to talk about. So Matic's dropped, okay, from its high of July 7th. So it's come down about 26%. All right, now if we can get back above that 89 cents level, we're at 87, almost 89, 88. And hold that level, then we could see a rally to $1 and $1.06. Okay. Decisive 6-hour candlestick close above $1.06 will confirm the persistent bullish momentum, and then we might be able to get to $1.17. All right. On the other hand, this is what I'm telling you here. This is the part of this discussion is like, if you're thinking about trying to figure out when do you buy, when do you come into the market, here it is. On the other hand, a rejection at 89 cents will indicate a weak buying pressure. And so we could pull back 10%. A breakdown of this barrier will invalidate it and might push the Matic to a price of 77 cents. Okay, so I'm going to bring it home. If you are trying to time your entry into Polygon, either from brand new buying in or adding to your current position, what it basically just said is that some of those key levels that if we break below 83 cents and we continue to break below that, then 77 cents looks like it might be a really, really good place to buy in. Okay? If you don't want to time it exactly perfect, go, all right, I'm going to hedge my bet a little bit, and maybe when it hits 80 cents might come in. Again, not investment advice. Just giving you the information of what this particular piece of content is saying. And this is, again, from FX Street. I love these little articles where they have this kind of content because it's a good, real simple technical analysis overview that kind of just straightforward shows it to us and kind of gives us an idea of A, what's going on, B, what kind of is trending, and C, maybe looking at some potential buying levels if you're looking to add to your position. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for your support. I see you. Bye.